how to use Littlebird AI for meeting notes. First, open Browser and look for Littlebird AI and sign into your account. As you can see, this is the Littlebird home screen. On the left side, you'll find options like New Chat, Search, Meeting Notes, and Routines. To check your meeting notes, click Meeting Notes from the left sidebar. Before recording a meeting, make sure you have the Littlebird desktop app installed. You can download it using the Download for Windows button at the top. Once the desktop app is running, join your meeting on Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or another supported meeting platform. Littlebird can capture the meeting audio and create notes from the conversation. After your meeting ends, come back to Littlebird and click Meeting Notes. Here, you can review the meeting's transcript, summary, important points, and action items. You can also use the Ask Littlebird box to ask questions about your meetings or information you've captured. And that's it. That's how you can use Littlebird AI to create and manage meeting notes. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity tips, and useful tutorials.